Is your Tesla Model S defroster not working? This video guides you through diagnosing and fixing front and rear defrost problems. We'll cover software glitches, HVAC issues, fuse checks, and potential hardware failures. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot common issues and determine if you can fix it yourself or need professional help. Often, defroster problems stem from software glitches. First, try a soft reset by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen restarts. Next, ensure your Tesla is running the latest firmware. Tesla's V12.5 update includes enhancements for HVAC diagnostics and recalibration, reportedly fixing 30% of defrost failures. Check for updates in the software menu on your touchscreen and install any available updates. Checking the HVAC system and climate control settings begins with verifying that your settings are correctly configured. Ensure that defrost is enabled on the touchscreen. Incorrect climate control settings can prevent the defroster from working properly. For manual recalibration, turn off the climate control completely, wait a few minutes, then turn it back on. This can resolve many issues. If the problem persists, the body control module BCM might have a ghost fault from recent OTA updates. Engineers recommend manual HVAC recalibrations in such cases. A blown fuse is a common cause of defroster issues. Start by locating the fuse box under the hood. Check your owner's manual for the exact location, but it's typically in the engine compartment. Next, identify the fuse labeled HVAC or defrost. This is usually a 30-amp fuse that protects the defroster circuit. Inspect the fuse carefully for any breaks in the filament inside. A blown fuse will have a broken wire, indicating it has tripped to protect the circuit. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new fuse of the same amperage. However, a blown fuse often indicates an underlying issue, such as a short circuit from faulty wiring or water ingress, which should be addressed by a professional. If software and fuses aren't the issue, hardware problems might be to blame. Check the resistive heating elements embedded in the windshield and rear glass for damage. Look for corrosion or breaks in these elements, which can prevent proper defrosting. HVAC actuator failures are also common, particularly in pre-2020 Model S vehicles. Listen for unusual clicking or whirring sounds from the dashboard, which could indicate a failing actuator. Simple fixes like software updates and fuse replacements can be done yourself. These are straightforward tasks that most Tesla owners can handle with basic tools and guidance from the owner's manual. However, hardware repairs, especially those involving the HVAC system or electrical components, are best left to qualified technicians. These include replacing actuators, blower motors, or control modules, which require specialized knowledge and tools. Attempting complex repairs without proper knowledge can damage your vehicle and void your warranty. Issues like water ingress, corrosion, or sensor failures need professional diagnosis to avoid causing further problems. If you're unsure about any repair, schedule a service appointment with Tesla. Their certified technicians can provide accurate diagnosis and ensure your vehicle remains safe and warranty compliant. Preventative maintenance can minimize defroster issues. Regularly inspect for condensation buildup, which can cause short circuits. Keep your Tesla's software up to date. In cold climates, consider applying a hydrophobic coating to your windshield to reduce ice buildup. For older models, Tesla's predictive maintenance via the app can alert owners to potential defrost issues early. Tesla is increasingly relying on software-driven fixes and AI diagnostics to address climate control issues. These advanced systems use machine learning to identify patterns and predict potential problems before they become serious. Expect predictive maintenance features to become more sophisticated, with Tesla's app using onboard sensor data to alert owners to potential defrost issues. This proactive approach can prevent breakdowns and reduce repair costs. The industry is moving towards full electrification of HVAC systems by 2030, eliminating traditional refrigerants and relying entirely on battery-powered heating. This could potentially eliminate defrost problems altogether through better energy management. For legacy Model S owners, be aware that part scarcity may increase in the coming years, with projections showing a 15% annual rise until 2030. This may lead to higher repair costs or the need for refurbished components. Overall, these trends point to a future where Tesla's climate control systems are more reliable, efficient, and sustainable, though legacy vehicle owners may face some challenges in the transition.